How do we think about leveraging technology to solve real-world problems? When you're in the middle of a crisis, you're not going to go pull out a binder and try to flip to a page. In early 2017, the West Point treatment plant discharged sewage into the Puget Sound. As a result of the audit findings, training was a potential issue for the staff here. One of the biggest challenges for a new employee coming in is this facility is daunting. And you're looking at green lights, red lights, blinking lights. And someone says, here's a manual and you have to figure it out.
Taqtile and Microsoft, they're not in the water treatment business. They're not just coming in and saying, well, here's how it works, fit to that. They're saying, how do you do your work? And we want this product to work for you. Manifest is something that can be used across multiple devices. So if their hands need to be free to work on the equipment, then maybe it's better to be wearing goggles so that they can use both their hands. We're just starting off in the wastewater area, but I think there's a lot of ways to use augmented reality and Manifest software throughout King County. I'm totally excited about the future. I mean, I think what this is helping us do is change culture at King County, and it can really have a huge impact on our ability to deliver services to customers more effectively.